You can have whatever views you like, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, she could believe in alien abduction, and it wouldn't matter, provided it provided it didn't interfere with what we're trying to do. A lot of people do, you know. Scientologists would be an example.
You'd work with Scientologists, would you?
Well, listen, if it helped drive our 4 principles through, yeah, and we got the minimum lifestyle standard in, and the unions got behind it finally when they got to understand it, I would, yeah. There's a whole bunch of them. The question of the extremists coming forward for the candidates. Well, we have very smart people. I mean, they seem to be very smart to me anyway. They seem to really know what they're doing. And, you know, there'll be a director of candidate selection with a group of people that will screen all that. And the last thing we want, obviously, is to have somebody is a lunatic to get through. You know, now I have the same views as any other normal Irish person, and when I look across the water and I see what's going on in UKIP, I mean, I look through my fingers with horror. You know, but like to suggest it's happened there, so therefore it should happen here in this way is wrong. I mean, it's certainly not happening here.
Okay.